line?
No, wait, I did.
Ah, dude, I'm gonna fall.
I see nails.
Nails?
Holy shit. I mean, crap.
Crap.
Yeah.
Rusty nail, rusty.
Someone's been up here. This is
Rusty nail rusty.
before.
Josh.
This is like Blair Witch Project. How do you feel about it? What did you find? Is that a stick? Is that in the shape of something?
Take a picture.
Rusty.
No, it's film, it's video. I am so scared right now. Oh, okay.
Barefoot.
I can't wait. I've never been to Nowhere Land.
Yeah, me either.
Barefoot? Who's barefoot?
Me!
What? No, you're not supposed to be barefoot. No. I don't approve. I don't think so.
Rusty, there's sand on your land.
Stand on my land. Caution. Careful, you got it? What do you think's a good way? I don't know.
What happened?
I found the bottom of the rock.
Uh-oh.
John, here! Why?
Good question.